If the engine turns over very slowly or not at all, make sure the battery is fully charged and the connections are clean and tight. If the key to your tractor was left in the on position after mowing, the battery will slowly discharge. After mowing, remember to always turn your mower to the off position. One of the reasons your tractor might not start is the engine may be flooded. To solve a flooded engine, just wait several minutes. Bring the throttle to the full run position without engaging the choke and try to start the tractor again. If the engine won't start, check the air filter. Grass and dirt builds up in the filter and clogs the airflow, causing the engine to run poorly. Clean the filter with a small soft brush, but replace it as soon as possible. A general rule is, if you're not able to see light through the filter, replace it. Change or service the air filter every 25 hours of use, or more often if you're operating in very dirty or dusty conditions. Good quality fuel is also essential to starting your tractor. Make sure the fuel you use is good, clean, and not older than 30 days, with an octane rating of at least 87. When your fuel ages and becomes stale, your tractor may not start. Adding a fuel stabilizer to the fuel is highly recommended. When was the last time you replaced the fuel filter? Keep in mind that it should be replaced every mowing season. And finally, are you sitting on the seat while trying to start the tractor? For your safety, the tractor has a safety sensor control which won't allow ignition unless you're sitting on the seat. If your tractor is having a problem idling, it may be due to stale fuel. Make sure the fuel is good, clean, and not older than 30 days. The fuel should also have a minimum octane rating of 87. The engine needs to be warm for it to idle properly. Engage the choke while starting the engine. Next, slowly disengage the choke until the engine maintains a smooth, steady idle. In cold weather, it may be necessary to engage the choke for a little longer, or until the engine is sufficiently warmed up. Keep in mind, the entire engine warm-up period may take up to a few minutes, depending on the outside temperature. Your tractor may not idle properly if a spark plug is fouled or dirty. To check the spark plug, remove the hood by first disconnecting the light connection and then gently lifting the hood off its hinge. Remove the spark plug, making sure to clean off the surrounding area first. Inspect the plug in order to ensure that it is indeed the recommended plug for your tractor. Clean off any buildup with a small brush and replace any fouled or worn spark plugs. If your tractor's fuel filter is dirty, your engine may not accelerate. Visually inspect the filter for buildup of dirt or debris and replace if necessary. Plan to change your fuel filter at least once every mowing season. The tractor may not accelerate if your tractor's engine isn't warm enough. During cold weather, or if your engine is cold, you may need to idle the engine for several minutes before it's ready to be fully throttled. If your tractor won't move, or you wish to physically push the tractor, make sure the transmission freewheeling control is properly engaged. Push it in to operate the tractor, or pull it out if you wish to physically push the tractor.